Are you looking for an aux adapter for your car? A way to connect your phone to your older car radio? An adapter like this that allow you to connect it to your iPhone and then plug into the 3.5 millimeter wire like this, and then connect it to your aux input for your car. Then you'll be able to play music from your phone right through your car radio. But what if you do not have an aux input for your car? If you do not have an aux input for your car, then you may consider using one of these Bluetooth transmitter. These transmitter will allow you to broadcast music from your phone and transmit it through the transmitter and be picked up by your car radio. However, these Bluetooth transmitter are notorious for having static noise, and the music qualities are usually terrible. The reason being is that the FM transmitter like these, they share the same power source as your car radio. So you created what's called a ground loop. Therefore, you'll hear that hissing sounds or static sounds when you accelerate or decelerate your car. So if you're looking for an aux adapter for your car and your car do not have an aux input, I have a suggestion for you. It is this gadget, my gadget, Gizmo Guy Gadget. This Gizmo Guy Gadget will allow you to play your music from your phone right through your car radio without any aux input or Bluetooth. You simply connect this device to your phone like this, and then you'll be able to hear all your music, podcasts, YouTube video and YouTube music right from your phone, right through your car radio without any wire or any sort of connection. Let me show you how. And we're going to play music from this new iPhone 12. So this is what it sounds like from your phone right now. And then we're going to play this music right through this car radio by going to 87.9. We'll stop this. You hear that there's a lot of static coming from your radio at 87.9. All you have to do is plug my gadget into the phone like this and hit play. Now you can hear the music coming through from the car stereo loud and clear without any static. You do not need Bluetooth, you do not need aux, you do not need any cable. Pause, play music. Now this is a regular local radio station. Now this is coming from this gadget through this car radio. You can use my gadget to play music from Pandora, from YouTube, podcasts, right through any radio. You can use this with home radio as well as car radio. So if you do not have an aux input for your car, try my gadget out. This is the quickest and easy way to allow you to connect your new iPhone to your older car radio wirelessly. Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye. Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Over the last 30 years, I have personally repaired and replaced hundreds of car stereos, so I know a few things about car stereo. So take my advice, and I guarantee you will not regret it, and you will love my device. Thank you.